Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this ideal mini. They've got central heating but no hot water. Basically, they only get hot water when the central heating is working. So it's not good for the gas bills. So what they want me to do is sort the boiler out. They can have the hot water when the heating is not on. So I'm going to diagnose this and hopefully repair this, and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, because I've worked on this boiler so many times in the past, I can cheat here and I already know what's wrong with it. Okay, just stay there for me, please. Oh. I can't control it for me, you're gonna... Right, switch it back off again.
Turn it on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On again.
Oh. Yeah.
So guys, see that spindle there, right? There's a micro switch on that. When you got to put the demand on, the pump comes on, and basically that spindle comes out. That activates the micro switch. Okay. Now hot water, on domestic hot water, the spindle doesn't come out far enough. But on the central heating, it does. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open up the micro switch, and I'm going to make some adjustments to that. Now basically what that's telling me, the pump isn't strong enough to put that spindle out, but it worked. Okay, try the tap for me now, please. Now at the moment, they're thinking about changing the boiler, so I'm just going to give them some temporary repair for now, and hopefully, till they're ready to change the boiler, they got some hot water. Oh, okay.
Yeah, forwarding. I can see it stay forwarding. Hold on.
No, it's not invited up, it won't stay. Okay, switch the heating off for me, please. The heating's off, yeah? Yeah. Now try the tap for me, please. Okay. Now guys, I did open the screw up on the pump and it's gushing out water, and I used a flat screwdriver and tested it. It was very weak. So the pump is weak. Anyway, these are the adjustments I made to the micro switch. We're going to test it out. Hopefully it's all working fine. With that, the central heating on. Turn it, yeah?
Right, okay.
That's this baby here. They must have changed that.
Okay.
There's a needle inside there, comes out, and then active. The only reason that only comes on when this pump comes on. Yeah. Unfortunately, your pump is very weak. Okay, you might be able to get about a year out of it, a couple of years out of it. I don't know.
Taps on.
The boiler's fired up.
Water's hot.
Yeah, just leave it on for about 10-15 seconds. One more go, please.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah, boiling.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Is that a selfie you've just done there?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna.
you're on YouTube.
Do a selfie with the boiler.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Do you have to do a video?
Yeah. Do you want to come
Sorry,
over?
no, I won't speak.
Do you want to come into the video? You can give me a video review if you want.
I've got no makeup on or anything. No.
Right, guys, just sorted this boiler. I just needed some adjustments on it. So it's working fine. They had to have the central heating on to get hot water before. So now they can have the heating off and just hot water only. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.